So do you envision a future, Anthony, where, like we've got, vendors that maintain SOC 2s and do you envision a future where there's going to be some AI version of that where vendors are going to have to provide certification, maybe even perhaps from a company like yourself that has gone through the rigors of that analysis?
Yeah. I think I go back and forth as I think about long-term versus near-term, right? I think generally our role at Monitar, I don't want to be telling you you're good, you're not good. Right now, our role in the market is enabling our customers to really tell their own story, but to have like an enablement of that, right? So as a solution, Monitar aligns with NIST and the NAIC and like New York DFS and Colorado and EU AI Act. We basically help these companies who are great at running insurance, might not be great at AI risk management. Here's an enablement of building your AI and scaling your AI risk management program, right?
Got it.
That's our focus today, is enabling. Do I think there's a future world where there will be some kind of a certification? For sure. But it's pretty downstream, right? Like NIST has some standards, ISO has some standards, but who is qualified to say that this is good or bad? And, as I thought about Monitar when I started the company, I definitely thought a lot about there's a future where these systems are going to have to be audited. But as I think about like the dependency to get to that place, first, you need to actually organize what you're doing. Like, how can you audit if there's not access to what is your inventory? Where's your documentation? How's the model performing? So I think first principles, let's help people build their program and create their sort of corpus of good governance. And then whether it's Monitar or somebody else in the future, a regulator that wants to examine things, you've got your house in order. I have a boss that used to say, clean your room before you go out and play. And I really think that's where we are, right? Like, let's solve that first. We can worry about certification later, but I could totally see a world where that's happening.
I get it.